Look at this. It's a red key, which can only mean one thing. I'm in the Hellcat. Monkey. Wrench. Mike. Yay!
I'm in the car.
So this is happening. Hey everybody, Monkey Wrench Mike. Yep, got the hat to prove it. I want to show you where I am right now. Someone should be sitting right there, but they're not. But look what they've given me. Look at this. It's a red key, which can only mean one thing. I'm in the Hellcat. Look at this. Oh, yes sirree. Yep, Randy should be sitting right there, and he's not. I should leave. He's just right over there. I should probably leave, but I'm not. Oh gosh, it's been a long day. We've been out doing Copart videos. See, look, he's right there. I don't know how you do the trunk. I don't know how you do the trunk.
I thought I just pushed the button, but apparently it's
Where? I don't know what all these buttons do. Okay. Well, dag nabbit, he's back in the car. We can't steal it right now. That was so tempting. Okay, we're gonna see how this goes. Oh my gosh. All right. So we got this. That's cool.
It's real carbon fiber.
Oh,
you're kidding me.
what's that, a phone call? Okay. Okay, so that's drive. I'm so scared to hit it. Holy crap. Okay. That was like I pushed the gas pedal that much. Yeah. And how long have you had the car?
I have no idea.
Okay.
I don't remember.
How many miles do you have on it? 1,500 miles.
I don't drive it, man.
Oh, holy crap. Okay.
It's
This is
it'll get you into trouble.
crazy. Well,
It makes you want to do stupid, illegal things.
yeah. Oh, and the brakes. Hello.
Brembos.
That's much better than my 30-year-old Mercedes there. Okay.
You'll be in the right lane.
You know, just the bulges on the hood.
Everything about
It's
this.
macho. It's just macho as hell.
Meanwhile, I'm driving around in a Jeep like I'm some LA chick, you know?
Shit. Okay, I can't cuss because I know I have a lot of kids watch this and a lot of moms in their cars. Holy mother of goodness. That was like halfway.
Yes.
That was literally halfway.
It'll spin the
Holy
tires at 45
crap.
and 50 miles an hour. Like a traction light will come on.
Holy.
She's a beast.
Okay, we're 1,581. I've gone a whole mile.
Hey! Your ride is over. My turn.
Jeez.
I love driving it, man. It's like having a Corvette,
Uh-huh.
except better, because you can fit in it.
Yeah.
It's big and it's so well planted and soft and it
Well,
feels good.
Look at this.
Yeah.
That's turning the car right there.
Yes.
Wow.
Oh, dude, and none of this is even in track mode yet. Like,
Yeah.
this is all just for... In fact, I don't even think anything is... It's all on street mode. I don't even remember how any... I don't drive enough. I don't remember what all the buttons do. So, drive modes. Yeah, see, it's all on street. This isn't even like any type of performance or anything. Like, you can really make this aggressive, and you can change each one. There's all your street, unavailable because we're driving, but
Yeah.
you can change all of these: suspension, track, sport. All of this is just for
Yeah.
daily driving. None of this is set up for.
Jeez.
Yeah, you think that's tight?
Yeah.
Feel that.
No. No. That's. Holy moly. That's crazy. How it can just. Get out of the way, people!
Yeah, doesn't it
Come
suck
on!
to have to drive in traffic.
It does.
Where it's like you're stuck.
Holy crap. And you got shifters here. Do you ever use these or no?
Sometimes I'll put it
Okay.
over in manual mode,
Uh-huh.
and the shifters are pretty quick.
Okay.
They're pretty quick. They shift well. I love downshifting with them. That's
Oh,
the most fun. 'Cause you can hear the exhaust.
yeah. It's quiet too.
It is
In
very
here.
tame if you want it to be. You
Yeah.
can go on a road trip in this. No problem. You'd be nice and comfortable. Your butt is air conditioned.
Yeah, my butt's loving it right now.
And while you're out in the heat all day working, this is so nice to have air coming from both directions.
From front and below.
It spoils
Yowza.
you. It's like a luxury car that is insanely fast. Remember, I traded a Tesla in for this.
Yeah.
The Tesla P90D with ludicrous mode. And the Tesla was faster than this.
But which do you like more?
This.
This? Yeah.
This all day long.
Yeah.
I don't have to charge it. Just
Yeah.
put gas in it. Like, that's great. I missed putting gas in it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Holy okay, that's 100. That's 100 right there, baby. Holy crap. That sound back there.
Back there, and
Oh.
like, it hits you. You get the supercharger whining.
Holy, yeah.
And the exhaust roaring. It's.
Oh my God. Don't hit me there, dude.
Or buy me another Hellcat.
Yeah.
Next time I'll buy a Red Eye. They're 790 horsepower.
And this is only
This is
710?
It's only 717. The Demon is like 850.
Oh, jeez. Like
Yeah.
the speedo and all
The
that kind of
arrows
stuff.
over there,
Oh,
you
okay.
can push the arrows up and down, and
Uh-huh.
I don't know what all it's got because I don't really use it.
Oh, look at that. Okay.
I'm sure it's got
Oh,
like
it's
all
all-
the different
Yeah.
temperatures and.
Oh, there you go.
I
Yeah.
feel like a 16.7
Not bad.
over 400 miles. That's actually not bad at all.
Wow. Oh, look at that.
And then when you use the side arrows, it
Uh-huh.
changes
Okay.
all the different. Maybe
Yeah.
not on that one. I don't know.
So when we hit it, there goes the green. Yeah. But who cares about fuel economy when
Yeah.
you drive this, though? That's adaptive cruise, so that's cool.
Oh yes, you set the cruise and
What?
it'll keep its distance from people. Blind
Mhm.
spot monitoring, Alcantara seats, Alcantara door inserts, carbon fiber everywhere.
Okay. What's reaction time?
That's
know?
the time it takes from the tree to turn green
Uh-huh.
and the time you manage to hit the accelerator and take off.
Holy moly.
So you don't even need a racetrack. You can
Yeah.
do it all from here.
Oh, jeez.
When you tell it to start 0 to 60, it'll give you a tree
Uh-huh.
and it keeps track of all of that for you.
75 feels like 30. It really does.
I told you, the car makes you do stupid things
Yeah.
because it doesn't feel like you're going 100 miles an hour. Doesn't feel like you're going fast in this until you see all the other cars like going behind you.
Uh-huh. Let me just...
She pulls, man.
Holy crap, Ola. Holy crap.
Motorcycle cop. Kidding.
Oh, God. Oh, yeah. Thank you. I just stained your seats a little bit. Sorry.
I wish I had my camera on for that one. That was epic.
Oh, crap. I love this thing, though. Jiminy Christmas. Thanks. Okay, so, look, we're back in heaven. Yeah, we're back at LKQ, my favorite shopping place. And we arrived. I did it.
You didn't go fast enough.
I got to 100. That's a lot for Mike. That's crazy. That's crazy. Okay, my favorite part of the car. Let me show you very quickly. We'll do a quick little walk around. See, look at this right here. Look at that. Look at that. Yowza. And look. Look at that. Okay. Best car ever. Best car ever. Big shout out to Mr. Randy for letting me drive the Hellcat. Look at that. Ta-da! All right, we are here. We're having fun. We made it. No dings, no nothing at all. So we're going to call that a wrap. Thanks, guys.